focus.
Mask on, no emotion. Velvet rooms in slow motion. Violin cut through the air. Gold reflections everywhere. Sharp glare behind the lace. Curly shadows frame the face. Blue halls, long stride. Power doesn't need to hide. Sunset, still ground. Silhouettes don't make a sound. Tick, tick, time and chrome. Every second carved in stone. No rush, no chase, I don't move, I set the pace. Frame by frame, I own it. Light hit, I control it. Step clean, no warning. Spotlight every moment. High gloss, no break. All eyes don't shake. We rise, no limit. This world, I'm in it. Lay it on me, rise. Frame by frame, we run it. Effortless, we own it. Red crown under pressure. Young king dressed for forever. Pop, color, flash, flare. Future twins with mirrored stare. Painted eyes, no fear. Camera close, crystal clear. Headphones on, zoned out. Silk moves without a doubt. Marble gods don't compete. Runway fire under my feet. Black dial, cold shine. Every second still mine. Deep breath, hold tight. Power looks good in this life. Frame by frame, I own it. Light hit, I control it. No cracks, no warning. Spotlight every moment. Stacked high, we elevate. No pause, accelerate. Clean cut, no blur. We are the standard here. With a mirror. Frame by frame, we run it. Effortless, we own it. No throne, no crown, just presence when I walk in the room. No noise, no doubt, just silence when the lights go down. Tick, flash, pose, done. Frame by frame, we rise now. Gloss and fire, no climb down. From stone to steel to skyline. Every world align. No fade, no end, no trend. We transcend high fashion. Dominance, permanent prominence. Frame by frame, we own it. Effortless, we run it. Fates fade. Pulse slows. Legends stay.